Hi there, Brian Rooney from SMG Commissions Funnel and Scorpio Marketing Group. It's just been brought to my attention that the video above, when we go to import the share codes, there's one very important step that I missed, and that is that, first of all, you actually have to create a list in LeadsLeap so that we connect the whole thing together. So just very quickly, I'm just going to run over this. So as with any funnel you create in LeadsLeap, you have to have a list. If it's just a splash page with no opt-ins or anything like that, that's fine. But if you have a proper funnel that has several pages and has an autoresponder, if you're collecting leads to that, to those pages, then you need a list to connect it all. So that's what we're going to do. So in LeadsLeap, we go down to List Manager. Okay, so you need to add a new list. Now, because this video directly relates to SMG Commissions Funnel, we'll just certainly call it SMG Commissions Funnel. Now, I already have one set up for this, so I'll just call this a dummy one. Okay, so you would, for SMG Commissions Funnel, obviously that's what you would call the list. Any other funnel you're setting up, you would call it whatever that list relates to. So for this one, it's SMG Commissions Funnel. You click on Add Now, and then we need to activate the list. So to do that, there's a few things we need to do. First of all, you can see that's the list name there. Yours will just show SMG Commissions Funnel. The brand name or logo is purely optional. If you want to put something in there, where this appears is at the top of every email that gets sent out in your email series, your autoresponder email series. If you just want the emails to be sent out just as a normal looking email, then leave this blank. What I do though is I like, just to make it look a bit more official, is I like to just put the name in here with a nice bright color, and then that will show at the top of each email. Just, I don't know, it just looks, to me it just looks a wee bit better. Now once again, this is optional, so we don't need to, well actually we don't need to put anything in this box here, and the reason for that is as soon as someone enters their details into your capture page and then clicks on the verification email, the very first email will get sent out immediately, and it is a welcome email, and it has link in it to where you want them to go. So we need them to do that process first. So leave this bit blank for this particular funnel. I like to receive an email every time someone opts in. It helps me keep track of how my lists are building. If you don't want to get an email every time someone signs up, then just click the no button. You need to put your name in here and your best email address. Now, Gmail is by far the best and the recommended email platform. Others will work, but they just don't seem to work as well. So Gmail is now widely respected as the best email platform to use. If you haven't got a Gmail, just go to Google and get one. They're free, and you'll probably find with everything online these days, you'll find that Gmail is more accepted than a lot of the others. Okay, so I'll just put one of my email addresses in, and then you click on this blue button here and it will send a code to that email address to confirm that it's yours. Okay, now because I've done this many times before and I've used that email address, I'm auto verified, so I don't need to do it. But you will get a, you see when I click on it, it puts that link in there. For you, when you click on that blue button, it will send an email to this address and it will have a code like that in the email. So you just copy it and paste it in here, okay? And that just proves to LeadsLeap that you have entered a valid email, obviously. Your postal address, you can put in and here you need to put in, that's just obviously a dummy thing I just made up. You need to put in either your physical mailing address, like where you live at your house, or you can use a PO box number. Either is acceptable, as long as it's an address where you can physically receive mail. And this is part of the Global Can Spam Act, so you have to put something in there. So either your physical address where your letterbox is, or a PO box number is fine. Email signature, I would just leave that blank at the moment. Click down here, click this box here to agree to all the terms, and save and activate. Okay, so now you can see the list is activated. That's all good. So then when you start going into uploading the share codes, and specifically, well, the share codes will load okay, but when you start doing the autoresponder, when you put it in, I won't go through the whole thing here, but in the email below in the SMG Commissions Funnel training page about uploading your email series, it then tells you how to link this to everything. So basically, actually I will go through. Hang on, I'll just do one very quickly to show you. So obviously this is the email, the video I was just talking about. So this is the share code. This is the one that you would use to upload all the emails, the pre-written emails that I've already done for you. So you copy that. We go into, where are we? We need to go into, oh sorry, this one here. Just having a wee dream here at the moment. So you click on the double envelope. Okay, the single one is for if you're just sending out one welcome email and that's it. With my email series, the welcome email is the very first one anyway. So you click on this double envelope icon and we click on import. Now we paste the share code into there and you click these top two boxes. Replace all existing episodes. There shouldn't be any, but click on that anyway. And include the welcome email. Yes, there is a welcome email in my series, so click yes. So click those top two buttons and import. Now what happens here is, and I do go over this in the video about importing on your training page, but every email, every page that you upload will have links in it that you need to change from my links or the person who sent you to this program, and you need to change them to your program or link. So for example, obviously it's got my name in all the emails. You need to put your name in there. I'll just put a dummy one in. Don't worry about this thing just right at the moment. It's all explained better in my other video. I just want to quickly run through to show you how we link up your list with your emails. Replace. So as you can see, it has now uploaded all the pre-written emails that I have done. Okay. And this one here is the first one. So this one goes out immediately. Someone verifies their email address after signing up to your form. And as I said before, it shows you your customer where to go to in that welcome email. That's why we don't put a redirection link in previously. Okay, so they get that one straight away. And then over the next, in this case, 14 days, they get another 14 emails. Okay, now if we upload a list, a page, so we'll go back to here again, and we'll upload just any one of these pages, doesn't really matter. This is covered in the video above, but I didn't cover how to link them, so that's why I'm doing this now. So now we're going to upload a page. So you go to Page Manager. We're going to add a new page. What was that one called? That one was the... Which one did I copy? I'll copy this one. Which one did I copy? Oh, the clone page. Okay. So we're going to call it the SMG funnel clone page, and this will be a dummy one as well. Obviously, you would just call it the SMG commissions funnel clone page. Click on here. So it's added the page, but we haven't added the design to it. So at the moment, it's just a blank template. You click here, import, and just put that back in there. Like this is all explained. This part of it's all explained in the above video. So just put that in there. Okay, so it is now created the whole clone page. So if you click on here now, you'll see exactly the same clone page. Okay, simple. But what we need to do now is how we link them as we go into Launch Editor. Now, up on the left-hand side here, you'll see the list and it's showing nil. So we need to find our list. Now, LeadsLeap uses a autoresponder program called SendSteed. So you click on that, then you come over to here and you go Get List ID. Now, you'll probably only have one here. So that is the list we created. So we click on that list. That puts a number in there. We go up to the top right-hand corner and there's a green Save button. We save that. Okay, so there would be an opt-in form normally, so just forget about that at the moment. In the other video, it'll show you how to do that. But that is just basically how you set up a list and connect it to basically your sign up, your capture page to your list to your emails. So what that does is as soon as someone signs up to your list using a capture page, they verify their email, and because we've now connected this list, they will get that very first email straight away, and then that's it. That's how the whole funnel works, and then they'll go through all these different emails every day. They get a new email. So I hope that explains it. To have an autoresponder series set up and connect to capture pages and all that stuff, you need a list name. So that's what this video is about. I hope that's explained it to you. And you need to do this, create this list before you do this. You get into, where are we? Before you get into following the instructions in here. So I think I've already, I haven't, there's actually, I've put a, I haven't updated it, but there's going to be a caption here to say, please note, do this before following these instructions. Okay, so that's what you need to do. You need to do the list before you follow these instructions. I hope that's clear. Okay, sorry for the confusion. Brian Rooney from SMG Commissions Funnel. You have a good day.